What would you do if you wake up tomorrow morning and you look on your phone and you see, oh man, I got $1,677 in your bank account? What would you do? If you're like me, most likely you will probably wake up, get out of bed, and start running around like a crazy chicken. Now that's a life of an affiliate marketer. We make money while we sleep, and when we wake up, we see, oh, there's money being deposited in our bank account or in our PayPal account. And if you want to be an affiliate marketer, then you need to watch this video. So let's get into it. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create a life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in this video, we're going to look at the 10 best niches as a beginner affiliate marketer that you need to get into in 2021. Now in this video, this is part 1, and so we're going to look at 5 of the best, and then we're going to look at in part 2 another 5 of the rest. So what you want to do is, before we get started, please just like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. So the first niche that we can look at, and this is a niche that I believe it's just going to start picking up, and that is the traveling niche. Now, as you know, with the pandemic taking place and people being in lockdown and not being able to leave their places, their homes, or even being able to travel the world. So once people probably get vaccinated, they'll start looking at different places that they can go to and different hotels they can book. Now, if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you want to jump on this bandwagon and get started with the traveling niche. But that's if you're passionate about the traveling niche. And you can send people like sites that you can sign up to sites like Booking.com, Priceline. You can sign up to TripAdvisor, Expedia, and also one of my favorites is Hotel Combine. That's a very good affiliate marketing site that you can sign up to, and that's where that site makes a comparison with other places like Booking.com and all of the others, Trivago, and all of the other sites. And once you sign up to that and you send leads to them, you can get paid anywhere from 50 cents up to $2 per lead, and that's not even if they bought, that's just per lead. So if you want to get jump on that bandwagon, go to their website and just sign up, and you'll start making commissions. Then the second one that we can look at, it's going to be the beauty and makeup niche, and this is something that's it's popular and it's an evergreen type of niche, because makeup and beauty never goes out of style, and there's never a dip in when people buy makeup. People buy makeup on a daily basis, so women would love buying makeup. I don't know anything about makeup, but I would suggest that if you want to get into makeup and beauty and you have some knowledge, maybe you're a woman looking at this video today and you want to get into the makeup and beauty, there's a lot of programs that you can sign up. There's like Avon, there's a few others. I'll probably leave them on the screen because I don't know them off heart, but there's a lot that you can actually start promoting. Then the third niche is the dating niche. And the dating niche is popular because, as I said in the beginning, with the traveling niche, people being in the pandemic and people not being able to go on dates and meeting other people, once everything is lifted, lockdown is over, people is going to go back to looking for people online to start dating and going on dating websites. And dating websites getting more and more and more popular. There's a site called Match. That's a very good affiliate marketing site that you can go on. I've done my research. I'm not dating or looking for dates because I'm already married, but you want to look into different programs, and I'll try to leave a few programs on the screen so that you can maybe sign up to that programs and start promoting it if you are passionate about the dating niche. Then the next niche is the digital marketing niche, and with the digital marketing niche, you can promote programs like ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, Aweber, GetResponse, Sendinblue, and different type of all-in-one software, marketing software that you can promote in the digital marketing space. Even something to help people with social media, maybe like maybe an app that you want to look at, and you can look at different programs and different apps that you can maybe sign up to as an affiliate marketer and promote that. ClickFunnels is a phenomenal one. It's a high-paying affiliate marketing program that you can promote, a funnel builder, like GrooveFunnels, GetResponse. Aweber is a autoresponder, so you can promote any of those. You can even promote, like, let's say you want to promote a funnel builder and you want to promote a autoresponder, and you want to do it in two separate programs. You can do that. You can promote maybe ClickFunnels and maybe GetResponse, and you can get commission from both of them if you want to be in that niche. You don't just have to promote one product in one niche. You can promote a few products in that certain niche. The next one and final one in this video is number 5, is e-commerce. And this is the e-commerce niche, and the e-commerce niche has a few programs, and that's like Amazon Associates is one. Let me look at a few others. There's Target if you're in America. There's so Spocket.com is another good program, and you can sign up to Spocket.com and you can get like a high earning commission from Spocket.com, and that's a tool that dropshippers use to find winning products. So if you know of anybody that wants to get into drop shipping or anything like that, you can actually then promote this tool to them, and they'll be able to find winning products. And even if you want to do it yourself, you can also use this tool if you want to do that. But that's the 5 that I have in this video. So please stay tuned for part 2. It's coming in about 2 days. And if you're ready to learn more about affiliate marketing, or you just want to find out how you can do affiliate marketing, and you don't have the money maybe to invest in a course or something like that, you can check out my free 4-day success series, where I will teach you affiliate marketing for 4 days, and I'll show you what affiliate marketing is, how to get started in affiliate marketing. I'll also share with you free tools that you can use, and just the introduction into affiliate marketing. And if you still want to get into affiliate marketing and you're ready to invest in yourself, it's only $7. It's a program that I'm promoting in my 4-day success. You don't have to buy it. You can just check out the free course that I have for you. But if you want to fast track your success and start making money with affiliate marketing and learn from a super affiliate marketer like Jonathan, then I would suggest going through my 4-day success series and then clicking on the link and then signing up to the 3-day breakthrough challenge, where Jonathan will go through with you from start, how to start your affiliate marketing journey, how to build a funnel, how to set up your autoresponder, and just how to get the business up and running in about 3 days. And that's only $7. And if you're ready to invest already, you can just click the link in my description below, and you can just go straight to the 3-day breakthrough and sign up, and Jonathan will teach you everything about affiliate marketing and how you can get started today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. Until next time, be blessed and create success. Bye.